1, 2, 3.
This segment is not brought to you by Sesame Street. It's brought to you by none other than Puddles the Clown. So, when's the last time you saw one of these? Probably never. That's because they only made 700 of them in their total run of production. That was from 79 through 82. Most of them are out there in pretty fair shape, but you're not going to find one that's been totally restored like this. It's got all the creature comforts you need to go down the road, including a skylight sunroof. It's got a trunk, and it's got plenty of room to get a few essentials to get you around town. Engine has been upgraded to the 27.6 horsepower Tecumseh. It's a single thumper, single cylinder that will get you down the highway going 65 miles an hour. Now you say, I don't want to go 65 miles an hour in that thing. That's the top speed. So it's probably more of an around town car. And most of you microcar collectors out there know you get more miles per mile than one of these things. 1, 2, 3 tires on this thing. Check this thing out. It's comfortable, it's roomy, it's got a sunroof, it's got wipers, lights, and a horn, and it sounds outrageous. Even got turn signals, right? You got 2 sets of rear view mirrors to make sure that nobody's behind you as you're passing it, right? Let's check this thing. There you go. It's got a centrifugal clutch in it, so all you gotta do is no gears, just press and go. Even your kid could drive it. Or how about your wife? Or your clown? The car's fiberglass body is finished in orange, and a color plus the trim are in excellent condition, as expected after a complete renovation. The frame was blasted and painted to match the body. Up front is a single rectangular headlight, while there are 2 round taillights in the rear. The body took over 8 months to block out, finish, and repaint, reportedly at cost of $3,100 in itself. The Freeway sports all new glass and seals. Its rear windows has the ability to open about 2 inches. It has new shock absorbers, suspension, brakes, and reportedly the last available radial tires in this size. The new tires are size 25/40 12s, and all 3 are mounted on a black and silver ITP alloy wheel that really set off this car. This Freeway 2 has the larger 2.76 Tecumseh single-cylinder 4-cylinder engine, complete with new belt and HMV drive system, which is complete rebuild with new bearings, seals, chain painted to match the body. The engine is mounted behind the driver and was coupled to a snowmobile-style CVT belt drive transmission. All in all, this is a unique vehicle that if you got a microcar collection or any kind of car collection, will sit right at home. It doesn't take a whole lot of space. And you put this next to your multi-million-dollar Ferrari, which is going to get more attention? Probably this little clown car. You got to have it. Only here at Moto Exotica. Thanks for watching.